In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save files to multiple folders in Google Drive. If you've ever needed the same files to live in more than one place, for example, a report that belongs in both a team folder and a client folder, this walkthrough will show you how to duplicate those files and paste them into multiple folders quickly and confidently. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and make sure you're on your main Drive homepage. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct account and that you have a stable internet connection, since copies can take a few seconds to show up, especially for larger files. Next, select the files you want to copy. You can click once on each file or use the checkboxes to select several at once. If the files are grouped together, click the first one, hold Shift, and click the last to select the full range. If they're scattered, hold Control on Windows or Command on a Mac while clicking to pick them individually. You'll know your selection is active when the files are highlighted and the toolbar at the top reflects the number selected. With your files selected, press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac to copy them. Nothing obvious changes on screen here. That's normal. The files are now on your clipboard ready to paste. Open the first destination folder by clicking it. Once inside, press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac to paste. You may see a brief progress indicator. For Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, Drive typically creates items labeled as copies, which you can rename right away to keep things organized. For other file types like PDFs or images, you'll see duplicates with the same file name, so consider renaming those two to avoid confusion. Give Drive a moment to finish if the files are large. Now open another folder where you also want these files to appear. Again, press Ctrl+V or Command+V to paste. As long as you haven't copied something else in between, your clipboard still contains the same selection, so the paste will work immediately. If you accidentally copied something else, just return to your original files, select them again, and copy once more. That's it. You've placed identical copies of your files into multiple folders. Keep in mind, these are independent duplicates. Editing one copy won't change the others, and each copy counts toward your storage. If you need the files in additional folders, simply repeat the paste step in each location. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Google Drive.